You think I'm cute? If nobody told you this today, you look very beautiful.
Thank you.
Did anybody tell you that today?
Yep.
I was little, now I'm bigger. I was broke, now I'm worth 8 figures. It's either you against us or you with us, bitch.
What it is, y'all? What's up? It's your girl Daisy Dance back here with another video. Period.
Can I do my intro?
Okay, you're right.
Yeah, you just took over. Well, what is up, YouTube? I'm back here with another video, man. If this is your first time watching, make sure y'all give this video a like and also subscribe to both my channels. And make sure you hit the notification bell because there's free. All that is free.
Free.
That don't cost a thing.
It's called free 99.
But today, man, I'm doing a little mukbang with Desi Des.
Let's do a thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Okay.
Oh, what you got?
Yeah, I'm okay. Disclaimer.
She went to 2 different schools.
I am fat. I did get some fries, and then I got some pizza.
See, I kept it simple. Y'all know me. I get the number 1. Had to get the barbecue sauce. Don't that look like too much tomato sauce?
Okay. Okay, dude.
I'm doing too much.
Yes,
My fault.
it's good.
I'm calm down.
And I got a Powerade to drink.
Powerade.
What you got?
Got a little something.
Fruit punch?
Yeah, a little fruit punch. You gotta keep it simple, man. Keep it simple.
What we about to talk about today?
How do we meet? Like, how did I hit you? Didn't I hit you up first?
Did you?
Yeah, I think I hit you up first.
I don't remember. But when you hit me up, I had already seen that one video that you had did with Kodak.
You already
and I was
seen
like,
it?
oh, this that nigga that did that video with Kodak. Yeah, I seen
How
it.
you seen it was in your recommended?
It was yeah, it was on my recommended.
Like, everybody said it was in your recommended.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
It was lit though. Period.
I was like,
Going all the way up from here. That's just the beginning. Period.
you feel me, man?
I need to stop saying period. That's so annoying.
City girls got y'all brainwashed. So if you watch
I
City
said
Girls,
period before. Hold on, that's one thing. That's one thing. People from Atlanta been saying period forever. We ain't saying like
I don't believe.
period. But we was like, stop fucking playing with me. Pig.
I don't believe.
We say pid. P-I-D.
Kid,
Yeah. Stop
Pig.
fucking playing with me. Pig.
kid.
Yeah.
That don't sound right. Like
Some people say
stop
period.
playing with
Some
me,
people say
kid. Like
yeah.
I could not take nobody seriously.
Okay.
Saying that. So like,
What's some South Carolina lingo?
you feel me? Like stop capping, like stuff like that.
Okay, y'all trying to steal that from us because Cap came from Atlanta.
No, it didn't. Oh, y'all.
If you
y'all
from Atlanta, go ahead and put in the comments.
We be like,
Cap came from
we be like,
Atlanta.
y'all hell, or he hell.
Yeah, we said that too.
We started that.
Y'all started that? I don't know if we started that. But I know we started
started
Cap. I know that. So stop capping.
Cap.
That Cap shit. You put cussing on your channel? Oh, okay.
Or sometimes I'll blur it out. It depends.
Some people don't, but shit, I do. I got a serious cussing problem. My knees are better.
Yeah, you need to stop.
Okay.
I'm just
Why you trying
playing.
to
I'm
come
just
for me?
playing.
No. No.
You gotta be a family channel. Like,
You're right. You're right.
I know kids watch your channel.
Yeah, they do.
So how long you been out here in how about to say LA?
It
ATL.
sounds lucky.
How long you been out here in ATL?
I've been here for a long time. I'm from Louisiana.
Louisiana. You like it out here?
Yeah.
I might move out here.
I love how black people run a lot of stuff out here, and black young millennials like us. And like Atlanta is really good for networking and stuff.
Yeah, that's why I want to move out here. Where you just jumped there?
Fried.
Oh, you said it was fly or fry?
Right.
Oh.
Crunchy and hard. But yo, you like South Carolina?
Man,
It's boring.
it's boring.
It seems boring.
Like people go to Charlotte to go to places. It's like 20 minutes. Or Columbia.
I thought Charlotte was in North Carolina.
It is, but where I'm at in South Carolina is like 20 minutes away.
Oh, okay, I feel you.
So it ain't too far.
They got some football prep school out there.
But when I met her, I thought she was taller than what she usually is. So, cause the Instagram pictures is like she tall.
Everybody be saying that.
I thought when
Another thing people say is I look better in person than on Instagram.
I mean, you kind of do.
I do? Damn, I need to do better on the gram.
I mean,
Everybody say that. Every single person when they meet me, they be like, oh, you look better in person. That's a good thing though, because some people look worse.
some people catfish on Instagram.
That
and
is true.
In person, they don't look like they do on Instagram.
Okay, but niggas be catfishing. Girls be catfishing, niggas be catfishing.
So did you think I look the same as in person? Do I look better?
I couldn't tell what you really look like from your pictures. I just knew you had dreads, and that was it.
Yeah, I don't really post that many pictures. I usually post videos on my YouTube video.
Yo, like how I knew I had seen you when we was linking in the mall was because like I seen you post on your story, you had a yellow shirt on, and I seen you with a yellow shirt, and I was like, I see you, fool. Come here. You got a girlfriend?
Nah, I'm single. I'm big single.
Why are you single?
Why I'm single?
Yeah.
Because I need to focus. I mean, I just got a relationship with, like, the beginning of this year. I mean, it was good. We both nobody in cheat. We just had to go our separate ways.
So, when you're in a relationship, you can't focus?
No, I can focus. It's just.
I can't. That's why I'm single.
Oh, so you single? You big single?
Yeah. My last relationship was 2 years ago. I ain't got time for these niggas.
Dang.
No, you know the
Go ahead
girl.
and say that line. I know you want to say that line. Go ahead and say the line.
No, I'm not gonna say that because females ain't shit either.
Yeah. It depends. You just gotta meet the right person at the right time.
That's what everybody tell me, but shit.
I mean,
I got a serious problem.
I mean, it really is some genuine people out there, like me.
Yeah, you a genuine person?
I'm genuine.
How I know?
I mean, usually I can't tell you. I like to show you, but I can tell you.
I be got.
But who's that? Yeah, I'm a genuine person.
You are?
Yeah, I'm genuine.
I am too. I'm a very genuine person. That's why I don't have friends or nobody, because I'm so genuine. And so, this is my best friend, but
yeah, I stay to myself. I stay out of trouble. I just be chilling, man.
You stay out of trouble?
Yeah, I stay out of trouble. I don't be hanging around. I know who to hang around and who not to hang around.
Yeah, I be getting in trouble. I need to do better.
You be getting in trouble? What you be doing? What you be doing?
I be piping up.
Piping up, so you be turned. I be seeing you going to parties and stuff.
No, but I really don't take no bullshit. That's why I be in so much trouble. I don't take no bullshit. Like, I'm not here for the bullshit. Like, don't fucking follow me. I hate when people try me. I hate being disrespected.
Word, don't disrespect me. That's one of my pet peeves.
Exactly. And females be disrespectful. Right?
Yeah.
Okay then. So I be having to pop off.
You ever got in a fight? You like you got in plenty of fights. You ever lost a fight?
No, I wouldn't consider it a loss because the girl had snubbed me. And she didn't punch me in my face or nothing. She just yanked me by my hair.
What's up with y'all girls?
Yeah.
What's up with that?
Well, I ain't gonna say yeah, because
yeah, I yet to see a fight where girls just go hands the whole time.
as soon as somebody pull my hair, it's wrapped to their head. I swear to God.
Like when y'all think to wrap your hair up when you go to fight?
Oh, that's what I do. And one time, I wrapped my hair up and I put a hood on. She just pulled my hood and I couldn't see the whole fight and I still won. I'm dropping a story time on that too.
So y'all stay tuned for that, man.
Yup, stay tuned.
So I got another question for you.
Go ahead.
You think I'm cute?
What you mean?
Do you find me as attractive? Like, do you think I'm cute, attractive? You do?
Yeah.
Like how?
Cute.
Yeah.
What you mean?
Like what attracts?
You got a nice smile.
You got a nice smile?
And your hair nice. Okay, what did you laughing at?
No, you said I got a nice smile, so I smile. I smile, right? You said you got a nice smile, so I smile. I had to see for myself. The people had to see. I had to show
you're
my
right.
people.
And you got good personality.
Good personality.
Yeah, you cool or whatever.
Cool.
I guess.
You guess. Would you think I'm cute? It's cute like a little childish
Do you
word.
think I'm cute? The fuck?
I think you're beautiful.
Cause baby, thank you.
I don't like to use cute. I feel like cute like with kids. I like to say beautiful.
Yeah, I guess.
But if nobody told you this today, you look very beautiful.
Thank you.
Did anybody say that today?
Yep.
Cool.
No, I'm just playing. No, for real, somebody did.
Cool.
Some people in the mom.
But they beat me to the punch.
Huh?
So they beat me to the punch.
It's okay though, you probably said it last. So I'm gonna remember it.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah. Then you can eat your pizza.
I'm gonna eat it. Why you wanna rush me?
I'm not rushing.
Alright then.
Oh, so you eat your fries first and then?
Yeah, cause I don't like my fries getting cold.
Oh yeah, I feel you.
And fries and pizza really don't go together.
You do? You said don't? Yeah, it don't.
I just wanted
We'll
both of
go
them.
with pizza. It's just pizza by
Just
itself.
pizza. Like some garlic bread or something.
Oh yeah.
Or some pasta.
Nah, I'll just say pizza. Can't really put
That's why at the Italian places, no wings.
Oh yeah, that is
Yeah.
right.
How you did that video with Kodak?
It was I just had seen them. I was like walking down Bourbon Street and I had seen them.
You was in New Orleans?
I was in New
Oh, you
Orleans.
was in my city.
Yeah, I had went to the Mardi Gras and I was just I
You
seen
was at Mardi Gras?
Yeah.
Me too.
It was like that's when I dropped the video. So you
Mardi
was, there,
Gras?
you was there when I dropped the video?
I ain't seen the video until like a few weeks ago.
But yeah, I was in the
Dang.
Mardi Gras. It was lit, and then I had seen him.
Yeah, Mardi
My cousin said, "Yo, that's Kodak." I was like, "Yo, I need to get in my video." So I just got in my video. He said he wasn't gonna do it at first, cause all he had his cup in his hand. He was like, "Man, fuck it, let's go ahead and do the video." I was
Yeah.
like, "Oh snap!" I got him in my video. Put him as a
Been
thumbnail.
going up since then?
Yep. They're getting like 15,000 subs. I was mind blown.
I gained, I had one video that just went viral and I gained like only, it was like 10K or 9K.
9K. What are you at right now?
11.
11K. You got a goal for yourself this year? What's your goal?
After this summer, at first I said 50K. But my friend chucked me off the other day and he told me don't limit myself. So he told me do 100K for this summer
That's what I'm aiming for.
and $1 million for the year.
That's what I'm aiming
So
for.
that's what I'm going for.
Now you gotta put it in work.
Yeah. Man, listen. I go to school full time. And I'm a pre-med major. And I work full time.
Dang.
I be working like 60 or 50 hours a week.
God.
Yes, bro. I be tired. This is my only day off. And then tomorrow, back to work. I had work yesterday.
Dang.
They keep playing with me, but it's okay though, because when this YouTube run out, I'm quitting.
Word.
Quick.
I'm telling kiss your ass.
Yup.
Kiss my ass and watch my videos.
That's how I ate my fries.
Yeah, she ate her fries. I give it to that. But yeah,
Look at security, ready to do something.
But we gonna-
sit down somewhere.
we're gonna end this video, man. Make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. The link will be down below in the description.
Yes.
Also subscribe to mine. Turn on post
Yeah.
notifications.
Yeah, so you will be notified every time
Word.
he posts.
Word.
Don't
Like
you
the
want to see
video.
great videos? Don't you
Word.
want some entertainment?
And also comment down below if y'all want to see more videos with us.
Yeah, let us know.
Alright. We out, man. Love y'all.
Peace.
Oh Lord, Jensen made another one.
Hi, I'm going baby on baby. That nigga a bitch. He think he a gangster, he probably still slanging 380.